Namaste, I GVN Sonia Kukriti, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Lecturer of Biochemistry. Today I want to discuss with the topic of lipid and its chemistry or function. Before we start with the lipid structure and its chemistry, we should know what is the function and what is the property of the lipid. Lipid, according to its definition, it is soluble to the organic solvent and insoluble towards to the water. It is act as an insulator for our body, providing protection from the harmful pathogens, and sometimes it also used as a preservative to cure some compound which are using in our daily food diet. A part of this, a property of the lipid, it presenting in our body which is secreted by the sebaceous gland, which provide protection to us. Lipid contain wax which is thicker than the water and provide insulating function towards to different pathogens. For the structure of the lipid, it is contained with carbon, hydrogen and carboxyl group, which is divided into two types, saturated fatty acid and unsaturated fatty acid. On the basis of saturated fatty acid, which is harmful and which is thick than the unsaturated fatty acid, it have no double bond, while the saturated fatty acid, it is unsaturated poly fatty acid which have two double bond, and it is providing beneficial role for the dietary sources, which helps to degrade highly fat content for the heart and cardiac function. Lipid, on the basis of their classification, divided in different group. One, simple, compound and derived. Simple lipid, which is solid in room temperature, they are saturated fatty acid, while unsaturated fatty acid, it is liquid in room temperature. Compound lipid means it contain with, it's pure with addition with some other biomolecule. As an example, I can say like lipoprotein. Lipoprotein matlab lipid contain with lipid plus protein. Phospholipid, another example, phospholipid, phosphate plus lipid. Glycolipid, glucose plus lipid. These all compound presenting in our body, they are providing different function and helps to movement of our body and releasing ATPs. A part of this, they are presenting as cholesterol, they are fat soluble vitamins and having covalent attachment. Structure wise, they are divided on their properties as we have discussed earlier in the same as saturated and unsaturated. Saturated we have discussed they have no double bond, but unsaturated fatty acid having double bond. The nomenclature of the fatty acid, that is begin from the carboxyl and end with the methyl group. Carboxyl and attached bond is named as alpha bond. Another attached towards to it is called beta bond, and further that gamma bond, and at the end, that is methyl bond, that is named as omega bond, where any at place where they having a double bond, that is termed as delta bond. It is a nomenclature for the lipid. Under the lipid, if we are talking about the compound lipid, stored lipid, that is the example of it, fatty acid which is stored is basically in our adipose tissue. Lipid, basically when it engaged by the food, it comes into the utilization, it helps to release ATP. Till then it is utilized. Remain part, if there is having a remain part of lipid is presenting in our body, it is stored in our adipose tissue. During starvation condition, this stored fatty acid used as the source of energy and provide the metabolic activity and provide survival condition for any organism. Lipid basically present in all living organism as a source of energy. Fatty acid is also an example of lipid which contain glycerol plus fatty acid, yani lipid contain. It is carboxyl acid contain having aliphatic and saturated unsaturated bond. Fatty acids are usually not found in the organism, but instead in three main classes. ester, triglyceride, phospholipid and the cholesterol. If in the any form of fatty acid are both important dietary source or as a source of fuel for the animals and in the plant tissue also. Thank you so much.